We start by knocking at the door of life, the gate of vitality, Mingmen, your kidneys. Then continue with the palm of your hand to slap all the way down back of your legs, outside of your feet. Continue to the inside of your feet and up the inside of the legs. When you get to the groin area, you knock and slap the groin area to wake up the kidney meridian. Continue this movement 12 times. The kidney and the bladder meridian are part of the water element. The kidneys being our root of life, and the bladder meridian, its protector. The bladder meridian is the longest meridian in the body, runs from the inside of the corner of our eyes, along the head, in the neck, all along the back of the body, and down into our feet. It's very connected to our spine and the movement of the spine, and the kidneys support the spine. So in these movements we want to go with the flow of the water energy movement, which is wave-like, spiraling and floating. So we start by scooping up the Qi, circling our arms. And slowly moving down, bending the knees and stroking with our palms at the back of the body, stopping to slightly massage the kidneys. Move down again the back of the legs to the feet and continue on the inside of the legs and stop at the groin. Again, scooping up the Qi, big circle, bending down slowly, stopping at the feet and going back up the back of the body, massaging briefly the kidneys, going down the back of the legs and up the inside of the legs. And repeat this movement 12 times. In the next movement, start by gathering the Qi, big circles. Then we want to go with that flowing movement of a river. We're moving the Qi from the top all the way down with us, keeping it with us all the way. And when we come to the ground, we're scooping up the Qi from our root to the top, and big circle with our arms. We start the movement again by gathering the Qi, and you feel this movement in your spine, all the way down your spine, and the kidney area is bending and flowing all the way to our root, to the ground, where we scoop the Qi up and bring it to the top. And repeat this 12 times. We're coming to the end of the practice. Step your feet together. Put your hands on your lower abdomen. Take a deep breath in through your nose and release through the mouth. Let your body sway whichever way it wants to. Feel free. It might be still, it might sway, it might go a little bit in circles. This is your Qi settling, finding its way into the ground and balancing your water element. Thank you for this practice.